Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have June, I know it's kind of late, but I have a June favorites video for you guys of all the products that I collected during the month that I liked. So it's going to be probably a short video because I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products with me, and 2 of them are like the same like duo kit. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, but let's just go ahead and get right onto the video. So first product with this little mini collection that I have of my June favorites is the Little Barn Coconut Mint Cooling Mineral Mist. And as you can see, I am completely out of this, and unfortunately I don't think it's in store. You can get on at Ulta. It's actually online. But this is actually my second bottle that I have purchased now, and I love it. If you like that minty, refresh feel on your face, then this would be perfect for you. Basically, obviously it's like a face mist, but it can also help prep before or after you have set or put on your makeup. And I really do like this, and I have oily skin, and I feel like this product and mostly another one in this little collection does a job for my oily skin. But I really like this, and I think this was like $7, $8, but I am going to see myself purchasing this a lot more in the future. And I think they have a bigger bottle. I just always seen like the travel size, but if I do see it, then I'll get the bigger bottle, obviously. On to the next product, or products you may say. Like I said, there is something in here that's kind of like a duo kit. So this is the Tasha Deep Clean Cleanse and the Water Cream Moisturizer, and I got this at Sephora. Like the front part, when you check out, they got like those little stands. I had looked at this because I wanted to try this Tasha line out, but I guess I never really paid attention to this little duo kit up front. That's like $25, but the normal like big sizes of these individually is like $65, and I'm like, I'm not trying that out until like I have that extra money or somebody can give it to me for free. But I was able to just so happen actually realize what Sephora has. So I saw that they had the duo kit of, like I said, the deep cleansing and the water cream moisturizer. I still have a little bit of this left, but I am completely out of the water cream, and I can gladly say this is my new favorite product line and duo kit to clean my face. Not only is it all natural products, but it is perfect. I mean, perfect for oily skin. At least these two are, and I think there's like another line that is for oily skin, but you do have the other line that's for like dry and normal combination skin, I believe. But these two right here literally changed my skin over like the last 3 months. It cleared up a lot of my imperfections. It, you know, tightened up my pores. And it just helped me put on my makeup so like perfectly and just make it look so flawless. But I will be purchasing this kit again and then until I have the extra money to pay for the big boys, the $65 individuals. But other than that, I'm perfectly fine with this little mini duo kit. But like I said, this is actually now my favorite line product and just cleansing, like my face cleanser. So I'm really happy that I had tried this out finally. The next one, I might just put these two together. So the next two that I have is now and been my holy grail for my pores and for oily skin. and to prep my face for makeup. So right here I have the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer Gel. And obviously I'm completely out. And I got all travel like mini sizes because when I went to Sephora like a month or two ago, they said that I have so many points to get like 2 or 3 different things. No, it was 2 things, so I just got these 2. But first, like I said, it's the Clinique Moisturizing Gel. And I've been using this for now like a little bit over a year, and it's never done me wrong. Like in the morning, at night, it just helps with my skin with the oiliness, and it just still hydrates it, even though I do have oily skin. But it's like a difference a little bit, and to me it is. But this is, I've been through like 4 of the big bottles, and I ran out like not too long ago, so I'm like, let me just get another one of these. But this is one of my, also my holy grails. And the next part is, which is, I am new to this product and the brand, but this is the Pores No More Pore Refining Primer by Dr. Brandt. Brandt, I think that's how you say the name. So this is what it looks like. Sometimes I feel like I don't even have to use a primer really if I just put this all in like my T-zone area, especially right here in my cheeks. That's where my pores are like the most biggest and visible. But when I feel like I put it on my T-zone, like I said, mostly my cheek area, I feel like I don't need no extra pore refining or product to go in that area. This right here has changed my life with not only makeup but just hiding my pores. Like, I thought Smashbox, I never, as you guys probably know, my older videos I did like Maybelline Prime Master. No, I cannot do that anymore. It separates my makeup and it doesn't stay on as long, and it's just a cheap, I mean, I know it's cheap, but you literally get what you paid for, and I didn't then see any results. So I stopped using Maybelline, and then I moved on to Too Faced Hangover Primer. I still like it, don't get me wrong, but I feel like it still makes me like extra oily throughout the day, and this just keeps, so between, well, with this it just stays matte in my T-zone. And yeah, there may be a little bit of oil coming through, but because now we're in the summertime, I expect it, and it's probably just sweat. But overall, this right here has just soaked it all in. The next product that I literally cannot go now a day without putting it on my face, matter if it's my whole face or my T-zone, but along with the Dr. Brandt Pore Minimizer, this product actually soaks up all of that oil and takes it out so you don't see it for like 8 to 12 hours. And this right here is, I cannot say this name, it's Henskin, I don't know, it's the Counterbalance Oil Control Hydrator. And this is what it looks like. It's the green bottle. The orange collection is like normal, it's one of those 3, normal, dry, or combo skin. But the green part, the green line is for your oily skin. And I do have a gel that comes instead of the hydrator, like lotion. But because my skin is oily, a lot of times my skin does not work well. Doesn't matter if it is for oily skin with a gel, my face works better with a lotion. I know it might be kind of like different to people because lotion can tend to be known for greasy, but I can honestly say this lotion hydrator right here is better than the gel for me. Last product, and I'm pretty sure there is more that I cannot find right now, but the last product that I had, there is another part to this kit, but I left it at the house by an accident, but I'll let you guys know. But this right here, it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This right here is actually good for oily skin and just all skin types. It's just like this one a little bit. It just obviously moisturizes your face, just keeps it glowy and refreshed. Like, I love, and it also smells like watermelons. And the packaging is so cute. I love it. But so the other part that comes with this kit is a mask. And the mask is basically the same color, obviously, light pink, but the mask is like a gel type. It's not like a mask that is like clay or like your black charcoal mask that you have to like scrub off within like 10-20 minutes. It's a mask that is clear. It's kind of like a moisturizer base, but it's an overnight mask. So you put it on overnight, you don't know that it's there because it's clear, it goes on clear. You just rinse it off in the morning when you get up. But I forgot to bring that. But this is after it. This is the lotion. And I do like this duo kit, but it just smells so good. And I actually got my sister I didn't give her the duo kit because I actually had the mask before by itself, but then when I went back to Sephora, I saw that they had a duo kit on sale for $35. So I'm like, damn, let me get this kit, because if I get them both individually, it's going to be like, not like 50 bucks, like a $5 difference, but you know. So I'm like, but let me just go ahead and get it. And then I gave the other mask to my twin. So I gave that to her, and I just got the whole duo kit. But this really just keeps, and when I forget sometimes to put this on, even though they're all together, but if I'm running late, I just go ahead and quickly put this on. And it doesn't help dramatically with my oily skin, but it does help it keep it refreshed and just stay and look vibrant and glowy, and I like that. As for this, it's soaking in all the oils, and it's not making my skin matte, but I still also like this feeling too when I just wear it, you know, by itself. So that wraps it up with all of my skincare favorite products. I really hope you guys enjoy and possibly got some tips to go ahead and try them out if you're looking at a couple of them with my skin type, or you were just looking for that extra, you know, opinion with some product. But like I said, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will go ahead and see you guys next time in the videos. And if you haven't already, go ahead and please like and subscribe. I will go ahead and try to leave like a little bell icon or subscribe button somewhere on this screen. But like I said, go ahead and like and subscribe if you are so far liking this channel and the videos. But other than that, I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.